So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove someone on Life360. So the first thing you want to do is, in order to remove a member from your Life360 circle, you have to be a designated admin. So let's open Life360. Through here, in order to remove someone, you will need to be that designated admin. So just open the app, select your circle. So from here you can see your circle there. You can expand on this. So if you have different people that are there, you will see the list on here, and you can use then the circle management once you've created your circle to delete a specific member. So once you've gone to your circle, which is going to be right there, you can tap the settings icon and you can go to circle management. But first you will need to go to here to select your circle. And you can see some people that are there. So you can see edit circle name, my role, change admin status, add people to circle, set bubbles access, and leave circle. So once you've tapped on delete circle members, so right there, it's going to say that. After that, choose the name of the person you would like to remove. And you're going to get a pop-up if you want to delete them or not. And once you've removed that person, they're no longer going to be a part of your circle and in your family. So just make sure that you go to your circle management first, and from that there you can remove those members. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.